I did a long control.
Okay, Mr. Loud.
Sorry.
Yeah, I just cannot hear anything with the Audi next to me.
I'm gonna regret doing this. Yep.
This is where I went.
Alex!
Kilometers.
Damn it!
Wait, guys, can you brake here?
Yeah.
Just stop.
Yeah,
and,
sure.
I'll go to the top of the hill and you do a flyby.
Okay.
Keeps going.
I'll get it what you said, but okay.
Okay, I'll brake now.
You ready for me to come?
Yeah.
Where are we at?
Okay.
I'm coming.
Go on the right side of the road, guys.
Oh. He's on the left.
Yeah, that M4 sounds so realistic.
I mean, I'm just gonna be here confirmed. The purples and pumps that makes me lift off the flower sounds exactly like they would on an M4 with an Acropolis exhaust. This is what the M4 Acropolis in the like normal game should sound like.
There's also a M4 GTS mod that's as high quality as the M4 CS. That's really
Yeah, my car's a lot quiet now. Okay, I'm trying to enjoy my. Wow. Right before I say that, I have done a big dive.
Alex, dude.
I'm skidding everywhere.
Once again.
Yes, it's always me.
What did you
Yep,
say?
I'm hot DJ again, bro. Oh, yep.
Oh, he crashed once again.
We need like a Jeep in here.
We have something in common, don't we? We just crash all the time. Oh, Jesus.
Alex, you really have no right to speak. Especially not when that's happening.
Pretty chicken.
And brake testing James May.
And it's James making it so bad.
Yes, you bloody moron.
You think you're funny?
You think you're funny, Mike? That's in my comments.
Oh,
That was because of that.
don't you hit me?
I hit the R8 instead because I was cheating.
It's
Guys,
it's
issue.
Dude, that's so
Guys,
scary.
we got an issue. Guys, we got an
Where
issue.
are we now? Okay. Nice.
Yeah, I mean, our father was running out.
Waste our time.
When it was like red, but it's I have 3 liters left.
We're almost home.
So I'm just gonna keep flowing it now, just so I can make it voice.
Just like roll.
Oh, I'm flowing it. Okay. Almost at Good mountains, fucking wall.
Holy shit.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. Okay, still down.
Shut up!
Crash
Nails crash
montage.
montage! In today's video, we're going to be featuring a new test driver. His name is the Stignell. He's very good crash driver. He's very good at testing crashes as well. So, this is how we do it, guys. We basically go like this, and we try to make it, but we don't, so we crash.
Oh,
and this happens,
so crashed. Oh.
and this happens, And this happens and you go through the
Hey,
map.
we're home. We're here.
You flying?
No, I went through the
You're
map.
flying. You're flying.
Guys. So, Gusto, you know how that realistic
Press
auto
me,
freeze
press
you
me.
ran? It is fucking awesome.
Okay, forget it.
Which one?
The realistic auto.
On the M4?
Okay, well that chat didn't work.
Realistic auto. You should
Yeah,
really
I think I
on the
angered him.
M4.
Yeah, I mean it's not that awesome, but I mean it works. It's kind of weird for like downshifts. You gotta be careful with it,
Yeah,
but it works.
I still prefer manual.
Just like it's like shift all the way up all the time. It's fucking weekend.
Much faster. Yeah, TDF is fast as hell.
I wanted to let you know after that I wasn't following
This is sick.
it, and I'm still not following it.
It is.
Mercedes GT is faster than the R8.
Wait, what? For real?
Yeah.
Nice.
Jesus Christ, that already.
Okay, Ari just passed me. I surrender. Your car's way so loud.
Alex, I can hear it from all the way down here.
Oh.
Okay. I can hear it from down here.
Okay, this is a very slow corner. Please, everyone, slow the crap down
I'm going out.
and do not drift. You will die.
Really? It's not a train.
I just.
Jesus Christ, that fucking R8.
I feel I have the worst consistency right here.
Oh, did you see that? I nailed that. And I nailed the other one too.
I thought we were cruising. Maybe we should just slow down. Yeah, you just rammed into me. Sick. That's scary. Wow! I just got swiped.
Nothing! Whoops. Sorry, Alex. I didn't mean to hit you. I just said hi. In a polite way. Alex, don't.
Brake.
Oh,
Oh shit, full brake. Oh, can you hear anything? Because I can't hear shit right now.
I'll do the same thing. Oh, this is nice. Okay, stop horning me,
Slow
please.
bomber.
Stop beeping me. Okay.
You didn't do it because the phone got you. Ah shit, not this corner
I'll
again.
pull Uno reverse car on you then.
Can you hear this? I can hear my car.
Yeah, please slow. There we go. Nope. Oh.
I can hear the fucking R8 from up here.
Street light.
My ass.
I thought I'm just gonna embarrass myself.
Yeah. It's okay, Alex. Alex, why do you think I'm taking it so slow? Of course, they couldn't got hear me, you know.
Yeah.
Is it gone?
Yeah. It's funny how you can tap the throttle and it's just gonna downshift when you're in eco, like 3 seconds
You
after.
just tap it once and then the delay comes.
Yeah.
But I mean that's realistic if you floor it.
Yeah.
Would you guys have driver license in real life?
I have one for
No.
Lian, if that counts.
Lego? Did you say? Logitech?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a Lego one.
Who? Me?
No.
He got. Yeah.
a Lego. You know.
I have a Lego.
The you have to pay.
Yeah, I know. What about
Yeah,
it?
A Lego
that's located in
driver's
Denmark.
license.
Yeah, I have
Oh.
one when I got a Legoland.
No.
The, like play area thingy. Does this go straight, Gustav?
Wait, I think you have to brake here.
You're saying, yeah, you do. Yeah, I'm not gonna be bothered by racing anymore. I'm an old grandpa now. Hush it down, you loud moron.
Sounds good.
You guys went wide.
The day just went wide. We need to get a haircut, bro. That alright, dude. Like it is. It's actually quite annoying. Okay, I'm gonna try to go fast now.
You can sound swap it if you want.
I will. It sounds like we're in a fucking Tesla. I don't like being taken.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, I saved that.
I did.
That was very close.
You've been very close. That's a rest. Wait for the bike. Oh god, I love this.
Very slow section here.
Crashes.
Okay, he
Funny
crashed
I
too.
nailed it.
Thank God he wasn't. Okay. Stop trying to drift. Like, stop. This is public.
I would drift when I want to. See? Shark corner, boys. I don't know if I can twist this. Oh, no, this is the annoying one. Nailed it. You pay attention to the R8 being like gone for like 1 minute.
Oh, I remember this part.
I did a lot.
Okay, Mr. Loud.
Sorry.
Wait.
Yeah, I just cannot hear anything with all these
Yeah,
things next to
Say
me.
again. Come again. Can you hear? What? Oh god, not again.
Oh, look at it.
Not again.
I'm not the only one.
You should just shut your fucking mouth, Alex. You crash all the time.
Okay, don't do that.
Slow.
You almost hit me.
Slow.
Oh, oh.
Good job, Alex. You even fucking warned you.
Oh shit.
I'm still fine. This is perfectly fine.
This is way too fast.
Yeah. She said.
Let's calm down. Calm down a second.
Just let
Never
the
mind.
cars come down. Oh no. What? Have we driven 36 kilometers?
Yes.
I don't know. Do we?
I don't think so. It says in my infotainment.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to be a bit more conservative about it, feel.
No, you have to.
I'm short again. Okay, can you just shut that R8 off for like 1 minute, please?
I'll downshift 3 times for you.
Thanks, that's so generous of you.
Driving from behind the F, it does nice to that.
rear's near first grade. I don't like the front. The front is stupid.
I think we've gotten used to it, so yeah, let's...
Oh my god, why'd you crash into me? Come on.
Bro, you hit me!
Okay. I saw you turn to me. I saw your wheel turn right at the...
No, you didn't.
I saw that, alright? Stop trying to pretend that you didn't hit me.
M4.
You meant to do it,
Do a
I saw
flyby,
that.
Do a flyby, M4.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Alex, it's now or fucking never.
Oh no.
Get out the way,
Okay,
bro.
he's on me.
Deadly.
Get out!
Yay!
Oh! Son of the gun. Oh.